what the heck is this?
Taking you in this moment, come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens, it's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off, and your clothes off, just relax, you deserve it. Keep me up the night, got you all on my mind. Seem like that's hard to find when they keep playing games. Gazing into my eyes, give me the butterflies. Take me from low to highs, what you hear every day. Can't get enough. You get me stuck. I'm more than a snack, I'll be your dinner. Got nothing to lose cause I'm a winner. I got everything here to offer. Everybody else
So guys, this is my hair.
I don't want to talk, you have to
blow
live
dry.
her. Don't worry about me cause I'm a giver. Daddy, I'll do anything so I can make you mine. Can't get you out my sight. Take me to paradise. My name is...
What's up, you guys? Good morning. Welcome back to another video. As you guys saw, first thing I did this morning, other than make my bed, was wash my hair. Y'all, whatever was happening on my scalp was not it. So you guys know I usually go like 8 days, 10 days without washing my hair. But guys, my hair on the second day was an atrocity. And do you know why? It was because I did not do my hair care routine. So before we get into it, I just want to give a huge shout out to Way for partnering with me for this video. Y'all know that is my current hair care routine and I love using their products. And I've been using their products for such a long time that I didn't realize that if I didn't do my routine, my hair would not look the way that it does. You guys always ask me how I go so many days without washing my hair. And to be honest, I always just thought it was because of genetics, because I just kind of trained my hair to go as long as it does without getting washed. But no guys, turns out it is my hair care routine. So I figured it out because you guys know usually I wash my hair at home and then I go to the blow dry bar and get a blowout. So this time I was in Ohio, so I was out of my regular routine. So I went to a different blow dry bar and I didn't have time to like wash my hair and I didn't bring my products with me. Like again, I was traveling. So I was like, you know what? I'll just go get my hair washed at the salon this time. I am going to insert a picture on the screen of what I texted Yasmin on my second day hair. I was like, what the heck is this? Turns out it's not genetics. My hair lasts as long as it does because I give it a fresh start. I give it a good washing. And again, guys, I was shocked that my scalp looked like this. I was like, bro, there is no way that my scalp got this dirty on the second day. Like the fact that my hair was greasy on the second day, I was like, what? So guys, this right here, this is the secret. This is the secret to get long-lasting, luscious, beautiful, fresh and clean hair. So you guys know I'm a huge fan of Way. I'm sure you guys have seen their products before at your local Sephora, at your local Ulta, from their aesthetic to their scent to their product. Literally Way is just so fire and I'm just so happy to be working with them. So guys, their detox shampoo. So this is the one I've been using for like over a year now and I'm obsessed with it. I always go in with this no matter what other products I'm using my hair. I always wash my hair with their detox shampoo just to give me a fresh and clean start. It truly does just clean your scalp, strip any of that excess oil, any dirt. They recently came out with their anti-dandruff shampoo. So I always double shampoo. Whether I'm double shampooing with the detox shampoo, I'm always going in with a double poo. I'm always going in with a double shampoo. So recently they came out with their anti-dandruff shampoo. This also has salicylic acid in it. So this, you guys, literally gets rid of any flakes, any dandruff. So these two together have been amazing for my scalp. So I wanted to talk a little bit more about each product that I'm using. So this again is their detox shampoo. So it gives your scalp and hair a reset. It cleanses away product buildup, hard water deposits, dirt, oil, and more. So it's perfect if you have any oiliness, unwanted shine, any flakes or dry scalp. Then I'm going in with their new anti-dandruff shampoo. So this fights flakes and soothes the scalp. Feels so good on the scalp, you guys. I cannot live without their fine to medium hair mask. It's so thick and creamy, so I just add it to my hair. I always squeeze out all of the water and then I apply the hair mask and I brush it through, let that sit through my hair while I shave, body wash, all that, wash my face. And guys, this makes my hair so soft, so shiny. It's important to go with a hydrating conditioner after you use, a detoxing shampoo and stuff like that, just because we strip our hair of so much of the oil. So this is gonna give that moisture back. So I just finished up my shower by shaving. The last product you guys saw me use was their scalp serum, and this just soothes any irritation. It keeps your hair stronger and fuller, keeps your scalp hydrated, healthy, and balanced as well. So if you guys have been struggling as well with getting your hair to last from your wash days, definitely try out Ouai's products and make sure you guys are scrubbing that scalp. If you don't got acrylic nails to really go in there, get one of those scalp scrubbers off of Amazon, and I swear you guys, your hair will last so much longer. So you guys can also get an amazing discount code by using my code. You guys can use my code Nazanin to get 15% off the Ouai's products. Make sure you guys go to theouai.com and use my code Nazanin to get 15% off your entire order. I'll also put a link for you guys down below, but trust me y'all, try those 2 products. It will change your life. Guys, I just walked into my office. I thought Mel just brought me coffee, but he made me a whole little breakfast. How cute is that? Hi, baby.
Oh, that one milk. Oh, that one milk.
You want brother and sister's milk?
Yeah.
These are for babies, Kay.
No, mine.
Mine. If you drink this milk, then you can't have your protein shakes, because that's only for big boys.
Shake, Daddy.
Guys, the slide made my hair so staticky. We are about to go eat. And guys, it was so funny. So Vaughn was playing with these 2 little boys at the park. Their names were, I kept on hearing the dad say Nas. So I'd look over. But the boys' names, their names were, they called him Juju and the other one Nas because his name was Nazir. But they called him Nazi too.
You should have heard Vaughn, because Vaughn, they all introduced themselves to each other. Vaughn was like, "What's your name? What's your name?" And the kid was like, "Nas," and Vaughn said, "What?"
That was a fun little park excursion.
It was short, but it's because it's cold.
Not cold and dark.
Park is right next to mountains and hills, so all the wind just pushes down the mountains and blows through the park, so it's very cold.
You know what else sucks too? I didn't bring lip balm, and that wind made my lips. Oh, perfect. Look at Mel, y'all. The Aquaphor on deck.
Where you want to go eat, Kay?
Yeah.
I said, where do you want to go to eat?
I am.
Okay. So we're sitting here at In-N-Out. I don't know if you guys heard in the last clip, but Vaughn wanted islands. We pulled up and they had a 30-minute wait, and we've been really working hard on the kids having a new schedule and not being so willy-nilly with everything, because usually would have been oh, we can wait, but now we're trying to be more strict, so we don't have the time to wait. So we pulled up to In-N-Out, and literally, I wish we could have filmed trying to order. I know the guy ordering, taking our order, was I'd never want to have kids.
I know. Because
both the babies started crying. And then Vaughn was fed up that they're crying, so he's back there stop! Stop! And all the while, I'm sitting here yeah, can I have a number 1 with onions? And he's probably bro, I'm never having kids. I know. So then now Naz is in the back, squeezed in the back, with her butt all in Vaughn's face.
I know.
Feeding both the babies so that we can have a peaceful ride back home. So this is the life. Just make sure you think really long and hard before you decide to have kids.
Honestly, I feel bad for our friends that have baby fever, then they come around us. I always remind them, I'm guys, this isn't normal. 3 under 3 with twins. Like, this is X Games mode.
We just happen to have twins who literally have opposite sleep schedules, and we do everything we can to get them on a sleep schedule. We'll put them down at the same time, feed them at the same time. Earlier today, Arya slept for like 2.5 hours, and Kai slept for 20 minutes, and we put them down at the same exact time. So I don't know what to do. If y'all have suggestions, please let us know.
Taking you in this moment. Come get close like you own name. Read your aura, you want more of all this love, you'll be your name. Release all of your burdens. It's been me, you'll be searching. Take a load off and your clothes off. Just relax, you deserve it.
Guys, look at how cute this little onesie is. Look at his little feet. Guys, look at how cute Kai is in this sleep sack. This is our first night trying this one. Arya really likes it. Yeah, look at his Mickey Mouse feet. Look how cute. Mwah. So guys, it's been a little bit. We put all the kids down to sleep. They were all asleep by like 8:30. So I put Kai down by the time I got him down. So what Mel does is he takes Arya in the room with Kayvon. Like, he just cuddles Arya while he puts Kayvon to sleep. And then I went in, I grabbed Arya and then put her to bed. So they were all officially asleep by 8:30. And I'm about to get this workout in. Mel went to the actual gym. So I'm just gonna go ahead and work out in the garage. And again, I'm pretty tired, but we are gonna push through. I have a co-pilot workout. I'm also gonna do 12-3-30. Like, I'm gonna do the full 30 minutes and then follow up with the weight training. So let's get into this workout. Just finished 12-3-30, about to do some weight training. Yo, I just put on Kanye West, the Faded music video, and I'm like, if that is a motivation, then I don't know what is. So let's get into this workout.
Don't you see the silver line? Fire, fire, give me just some. Don't you see this fire, fire? Tell me I can do
What's up, you guys? It's actually been a few days. Don't mind Mel and Kayvon playing downstairs. I don't know if you guys can hear them. But I was about to go upload this video, and this video ended up being a lot shorter than I usually like my vlogs to be. You guys know I like our vlogs to be at least like a minimum 20 minutes. Usually I like to hit that 30-minute mark, but we didn't hit it for this video. But I was like, you know what? I just want to sit down and talk to you guys. I don't know. I just have a lot on my mind. I feel like I really need to do a sit-down video, which I promise you guys I will soon. But again, I just keep on bringing up the excuse that we have 3 kids, and it's just been a huge life adjustment. I mean, you guys saw in this vlog, it's pretty much a typical day in my life. So the way we do it is Kayvon goes to school in the morning, Mel gets up with him, gets him ready for school. I get up with the twins. Then by the time Mel gets home from taking Vaughn to school, and it's like he has some stuff to do or I have some stuff to do. So today I had a big work day. So then once I'm done with work, Kayvon comes home from school. We always try to be done with work by the time Kayvon comes home from school. So we always try to be done by 3, and then we'll start, you know, like family time, our evening routine. And like I said in this video, we've been trying to start bedtime, like their bedtime routines where we like wash them up and all that stuff by 7 p.m. So they're asleep by 8. Now guys, I used to not understand why people put their kids down to sleep so early, but now as a parent, I totally get it. It's like the only way you have any free time. It's like the only way. It's the only way I can get my workout in. It's the only way Mel can get his workout in. So we've been trying to get really serious about them going to bed by 8, and it's been going really well so far. So yeah, I just wanted to do like a quick life update. Again, I'm gonna do a whole sit down video. So yeah, watching this vlog, I'm like, nothing really crazy happened. Like nothing really interesting happened, but you know what guys, that's real life. This is my real life. I never like to do things for content. I never like to be like, oh, I'm gonna do this for the vlog or that for the vlog. Sometimes I do, but usually it's something that I genuinely like wanna do, and I'm like, you know what, let me just film doing it. Yeah guys, that is just real life, and we're just working on getting into a routine with the 3 kids, especially now that the twins are older and their sleep is getting more predictable. Life has definitely gone a little bit easier. I'm not gonna say easy, but it's definitely got a little bit easier just because now we know like by 8 p.m. we have some time to work out, watch Netflix. So this is also just to say, anybody who feels like they're in the thick of it, if you just added another baby to your family or babies like in our case, just know there is a light at the end of the tunnel. I know some days it could feel endless. It can feel like you're never gonna sleep again. It feels like you're never gonna have free time again. But trust me guys, there will come a time where the kids are all gonna sleep through the night. They're gonna go to sleep early, and you will have some time for yourselves. Even though I already had a child, I know after I had the twins and we were in the thick of it, like the really hard nights of them not sleeping and stuff like that, I would watch videos, and moms with like multiple kids will still have time to do the things that they want to do. When you're in the middle of it, like you just feel like there's never going to be that light at the end of the tunnel. And trust me guys, that light will come, and the days are long, but the years are short. Twins are almost 6 months, and Kayvon's going to be 3 in a month. Kayvon's going to be 3 on March 13th. Like what? I literally feel like I just had him. It feels like yesterday. It's so crazy. I think a lot of times I forget that I'm a postpartum mother. Again, the twins are 5 months. So I'm only 5 months postpartum. And I feel like especially after you had other children, you just have to get back into routine and get back into life a lot sooner. I'll never forget this one woman I met at a sushi restaurant when I was pregnant with Kayvon. I was like 8 months pregnant with Kayvon. She was out at the sushi restaurant with a stroller, and I was like, oh, how old is your baby? And she's like, this is actually my 5th. I had him a few days ago. I'm like, you had a baby a few days ago and you're out at a sushi restaurant? Like, what? I remember just feeling like, that's crazy. So now after I had more children, I see how quick you get back into the swing of things. And that's after my second, I want to say my second birth. Obviously not my second baby, but my second birth. I feel like I got back into the swing of things so quick. So I can't even imagine if I was on child number 5. I feel like 2 days after I gave birth, I'm gonna be like, all right, who want to go to the club? Yeah, I'm kind of just rambling at the end of this video. I'm just telling you guys my thoughts. This is kind of like my virtual diary right now. But again, I feel like I'm so hard on myself, and I forget that I'm only 5 months postpartum, especially because I just rewatched the footage of me working out. And just, I don't want to say I hate my body. Hate is a strong word, but I think it's pretty obvious I'm not that comfortable in my body right now. And again, I hate being like super vulnerable on camera because people will use that against you. You know what I mean? I hate saying that on camera because the last thing I want to do is to make other women like feel bad about themselves after they've had babies too. So that's why I'm like, I just need to push that negativity aside because that's not helping nobody. It's not helping me. It's not helping my audience. I need to view working out and taking care of myself as self-care, as my me time, as my form of meditation that I truly need. And I've been feeling so much better now that I'm working out more consistently. I'm still not as consistent as I would like, but I've definitely worked out a lot more this month. And I'm sure you guys noticed that giant zit I had on my face. You can still kind of see it, but the giant zit I had on my face this whole video. I started getting acne again. You guys know my skin gets super clear during pregnancy, and then after I give birth, I get a few months of clear skin, and then I start breaking out again. It's so crazy because my acne came back the same amount of time after I gave birth with Kayvon. So I remember I gave birth to him in March. I started getting acne again in August, right? Like it was summer, July, August. So that's about 4 or 5 months, which is what I am right now. So that's, I know my body now after I give birth, not that I'm not having any more kids, but now I know that after I hit that 5-month postpartum mark, acne's back. I'm ready to get back into the gym. It's like everything that I went through after I had Kayvon, I'm going through again, except now I have the added challenge of having less free time. Like even my postpartum hair loss is growing back. You guys can't see on camera, but I literally have, maybe you can kind of see that, but like I have like antennas like all over my head right now, like of the hair growing back. But yeah guys, that is it for today's video. Speaking of hair, make sure y'all use my code for Way. Use my code Nazanin for 15% off. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye everyone.